Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry with Simpler Trading, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to show you some interesting levels here in the continuous futures contract for the S&P. If you've been following these videos, well, then you'll remember some of these previous instances, but I'll recap them with you here quickly, where we were taking what was the lifetime, still is, the lifetime high. That move down into the low of that moment was 42.12. The bounce up off of those levels, notice how it fails right at the 618 retracement of that move, and then emphasizes its importance as it double tops at that level. So if you understand that relationship and how it can provide pivotal turning points in the market, well, then you can see how the new one, right, because it will still take the same swing high, but then use the fresh low that's been made down into 41.01. So again, analyzing that same relationship in the retracement, you'll see right where at the 45.38, is exactly where we ended Friday's session. So depending on how we open up on Monday, this could be cleared. And if it is, it starts to paint the way. Actually kind of a fascinating, this is the first I've looked at this, but this move then extended, say you eventually do, or maybe even Monday, get above that retracement, well, clearing this key level tends to increase the chances of moving into the 1272 extension, and it's just really fascinating to find that almost exactly at 5,000. So if these lows are any good, that is very potentially where we are headed. Now that big extension will still be in play, even if you do see corrective moves down in here, right? It's maintained as long as that low is not taken out, and that'll be worth carrying forward. Now, if we do see resistance being a more key decision, one other thing I wanted you to be aware of is that the VIX does continue to push lower, right? When it hits the lower Bollinger Band, that's been a pretty good spot for it to bounce from. So that threshold has been expanding, but that could very well be in play in next week. And then also just be aware of, you really saw a lot of call buying come into the market today. You can see that the put call was way down here at 0.43. So that just tells us that the vast majority of participants are buying calls. And that's usually a good spot for the market to find some type of a tradable top. So if that offers a confluence with the 618 and the S&P, that could be a good technical roadmap to begin your week with on Monday. So you guys have a great weekend. I hope you continue to find the free videos helpful and useful, and hope to see you in the chat room one day next week. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.